Did you know that the action camera will overheat because of the battery inside? But what if your action camera, no battery, and still working, recording at 4K 60 frames per second? So how's that? It's so nice, look. It also comes with a tripod, see? It's working, guys. No battery, recording 4K. Cute. The stick is also stretchable. Ooh, how's that? But I have only one problem. I'll show it to you. I'm gonna stop the video. If I'm going to put it into night mode, this is the night mode, it won't work. This stick with the battery could only use at 4K 60 frames per second. Now I could vlog as much as I want without a battery.